Hello, this is Manfrolo, and that's Tonaldo there behind the camera. Today, we'll give this box an examination.
We're gonna be checking out whatever's inside this box.
Alright, so this is a Fiio FH3 in-ear monitor set. That's just a fancy words for earbuds. So let's open up this plastic in here. Let's see if I can get this little corner in here. There it is. I don't want to nick the box on mistake, so let's try to get this as satisfying as possible. Satisfying as possible. Yes.
Satisfying.
It's satisfying.
Not
yes.
satisfying.
It's satisfying. Alright. Oh yeah, listen to that box crumble. Yeah. That was actually quite satisfying taking that off. I like doing that. Now, the reason I got these is because my old headphones, they fell apart at the wire area. So, these are different. They don't have the typical sense of wiring. They have a MMCX connector to the body of the earbud itself. So if the wire goes bad, I can just replace the wire. And my old ones, the wire was directly soldered to the speakers in the inside. So the wire literally got ripped off and I couldn't use my headphones anymore, or earphones. So that's why I bought these. Now let's see how I open this. There you go. Okay, so this is a magnetic flask. Magnetic flap box. You see, there's a very nice little flap in here. Yeah. You got everything in here. You got some, I don't know what characters these are. This looks like a very nice manual. Yes, the instructions I can understand easily.
I'm pretty sure they have a page in English, bro.
Oh, you can actually replace the freaking tip here. Wow, for the headphone jack. Alright, that's enough of that. Now let's get to the product here. You got these beautiful earphones. I don't want to keep calling them headsets for some reason. So let's remove this first. There you go. You got this little box. Let's see what's in this little box first.
I like how it's packaged. It's very well packaged. It doesn't seem like...
Yeah, it's not like just like jumbled in there. I mean, most things aren't just jumbled in there either, but still. It seems to be especially taken care of. Oh, what in the fuck is this?
Bruh.
It's a little carrying case. Dang. By the way, this was on Amazon for around $110, and then you would have to spend like extra money on taxes. So I don't know exactly how much. Let's see. Bang. It's a nice little box here. And it comes with a little carrying case. Let's see what's in here. Drugs. Anyway, oh, okay, these feel like the little ear tips. These are the ear tips that come with it. So we'll take a look at those individually in a little bit. Comes with a beautiful little box and this thing. Tickle your ears. This is to clean out the earbuds when if you have too much wax built up on them. Now let's move into the main product. Now, you know us from the this is the earbuds here. It's remarkably heart-shaped. That means they love you. Well, you found yourself a home, and hopefully you don't die too fast. This is kind of morbid. Let's see. Let's open these suckers up. Alright. So, let's take them out the box here. I don't want to damage anything. I'm probably doing this completely wrong. There you go. Alright. Yeah, I'm doing this completely wrong, most likely. Now, I'm gonna disconnect one of these for you. Now, I did a lot of research for these earbuds. I didn't just want any your run-of-the-mill earbuds either. These actually have 3 speakers inside of it. It has a 10mm dynamic driver in the back and 2 balanced amateur drivers near the ear hole.
For your listening caves.
Yes, for your listening caves. Now, to show you how this is actually completely different from your normal earbuds, and we just take that apart. You see, you have your normal connector here for your MMCX connection. So technically, if you can buy a really cheap pair of anything that's MMCX. So technically, I didn't need to buy any of these. This by itself was 110 bucks. This is what you're buying right here. It has a very nice though finish. If you can see that, it has like little wave effect here, and then the cable itself. This is the MMCX connector. It has like little slots in it. I don't know if you can see that, or if the camera picks it up, but it's really nice. Makes it really easy just to pop it in and pop and play right there. It's color coded. I believe, yeah, the red one's for right, because it also says it right on the earbud. The blue one is for your left. Alright, so the last part here is the jack itself. I believe it is gold plated, and it has silver inside this wire here, so it's lossless. Supposedly it's a audiophile type things. This is how you would replace it. You can replace this jack at any time if it were to get messed up on you. Alright guys, now let's take a look at the little I forgot the earplugs, the little jug capsules here. Let's open them up real quick. Ooh. So these are marked in red, so these are probably for bass enhancement. So you got a bunch of sizes here just for this earbud here. And there you go. So you got all these for just the red ones. Put that in there for bass enhancement. And let's see. These are also red, aren't they? Oh, these are like orange.
Those are probably for sound dampening.
Yeah. These are the silicone ones. Okay, so these are just your standard silicone ones that are in most earbuds. So this doesn't really change the tuning of the earbuds. Very nice. Let's open another one. Okay, so the next one is impossible to open with normal. Yes, so I shall use a blade. So these are a lot different. This is only comes with 4 because the other 2 are actually already on the earbuds.
So those are the original.
This is the
original set. If you need to replace it whenever they get worn out or tired.
Right. And these are foam ones.
Those are the sound canceling.
And these are your sound canceling ones. So you squeeze these, see, and they keep your memory. I don't know if you can catch that because I moved it too much. Let me just do that a little closer to the camera. So you can squeeze these and see they keep the memory. And that way, what it does is it does sound canceling. You can hear your music better, cancels out any noise from the outside. So yeah, memory. And thank you for watching my unboxing video. Hopefully it gave you some sort of knowledge and insight into this product. Thank you.
Well, thanks for watching. Thumbs up for me. I kind of like those headphones. They're pretty nice.